Hi, this is Ms. Hernandez. I'm going to be reading you your Science Unit 1 assessment on the electromagnetic force. Time allotted 45 minutes. Directions. Answer the free response questions below independently in the space provided. 1. Mr. Ramirez demonstrates that objects can exert forces on each other even when the objects are not touching. He removes two long pieces of clear plastic tape from the tape dispenser. He holds a piece of tape in each hand so that they are hanging down. As he moves his hands closer together, the pieces of tape repel each other. His students then play an investigation to study the forces exerted by the pieces of tape. A. Identify two factors that may affect the forces exerted by the piece of tape. Explain your reasoning. B. Describe how the effect of one of the factors you identified in Part 1 could be tested. Be sure to include a description of how the effect would be measured, and how the collected data would be analyzed. Like an electromagnetic, wait, each student's six students each make an electromagnet for an investigation. Each student wraps copper wire around a nail and attaches each end of the wire to a 9-volt battery. The students use their electromagnets to pick up paper clips. The table shows the number of paper clips each student picks up with the electromagnet. A. Write a testable question for the electromagnet investigation above that could explain the differences in the number of paper clips picked up by the electromagnets. Explain your reasoning. B. Identify one factor other than how the electromagnets were made that would affect the number of paper clips picked up by the electromagnet. Explain your reasoning. C. If you were to develop an investigation to test this factor, name the independent and dependent variables in the investigation. Explain why you chose those responses. 3. Write a scientific explanation that describes the differences between the magnetic energy in the images below. In your scientific explanation, include your complete claim, the relevant evidence that supports your claim that has been analyzed and interpreted, your scientific reasoning that shows why the evidence is important to link the evidence and science concepts to the claim. This is a criteria of what you want, what score you would want. You would want a 4, which would be the best one.